Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing household appliances simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into the world of Electrolux washers with the title, How to Fix Electrolux Washer EF5 Error Code, 2025. If you're seeing that pesky EF5 error flashing on your screen, you're in the right place. This error typically signals a water overflow or flood detection issue, which can be caused by leaks, a clogged drain, or even a sensor glitch. Don't panic. Most of the time, it's an easy fix you can handle at home. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your washer from the power outlet before starting any troubleshooting. This prevents any electrical mishaps and keeps you safe. Once that's done, let's get into the steps. Start by checking for visible leaks around the washer. Look under the machine, around the hoses, and at the connections. If you spot any water, tighten the hoses or replace them if they're damaged. Next, clean the drain pump filter. This is often the culprit for the EF5 error. Locate the filter. It's usually at the bottom front of the washer. Remove it, clear out any lint, debris, or coins that might be blocking it, and then put it back securely. After that, reset your washer by plugging it back in and pressing the power button for about 10 seconds, or follow your model's specific reset instructions in the manual. Now, run a test cycle to see if the error has cleared. If it persists, you might need to inspect the pressure hose for blockages or kinks. If you're not comfortable with that, it's time to call in a professional technician to avoid causing more damage. There you have it, a quick and effective way to tackle the EF5 error on your Electrolux washer. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these issues altogether. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more handy tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.